Okay, welcome to the session. Good morning, students. Now today's class we discussed about the shift micro operations. Shift micro operations are mainly used for in order to transfer the content and transfer the data from one register to another register. For example, you have to take R1 is a one register and R2 is a one register. The content of the data that can be stored in the R1 that is transferred to the R2. That operation is used for shift micro operation. That content transfer is mainly used for shift micro operations. Okay, shift micro operation, the content of transfer from one register to another register. Okay, shift micro operations are used for the serial transfer of the data that can be transferred from one register to another register. Okay, by based upon shift operation we can transfer the data from one register to another register and source to destination. They are also used for conjunction with arithmetic, logical, micro operations and other data processing operations. Okay, the operation whatever the content it may be that can be transferred from one register to another register, that is mainly used by the means of shift micro operations. Okay, the content of register that can be shifted to the left to right or right to left, means R1 is in the right side and R2 is left side. It is in the form of left to right or right to left. The content is transferred from R1 to R2 or R2 to R1. The data that can be transferred from both the sides, it can be used by using the shift micro operation. During the shift right, it consisting of in shift micro operations, we consisting of two types of operations. Okay, shift right and shift left. Okay, shift left means first of all we see the shift left. Shift left means the data that can be transfer the serial input bits to the 0 towards the right side. Okay, shift left means the data or bits in the serial input, the data that can be transferred towards the left side. So towards the shift left means towards the right side. The data that can be transferred towards the right side is known as the shift right. In shift left, the data that can be transferred whatever the information bits or in a zeros or ones, bits in serial input manner that can be transferred from the left to right or right to left. These two operations are used, shift left and shift right operations we have to use it. What is a shift micro operation? Shift micro operation is useful in order to transfer the information from one register to another register in the form of left to right or right to left. And it is also used. What is the meaning of conjunction? Conjunction means and operation. Okay, both the data in R1 register and R2 register has two types of the data that can be transferred and add the content from one register to another register and stored in some content, stored in some register. Okay, we have in this shift micro operation we have two types of operations. Okay, logical shift left or logical shift right. Okay, we want to see the next slide. Okay, next, the information that can be transferred in serial manner. In shift micro operation, the information that can be transferred in serial manner, whether it is maybe 0 or 1s. The computer can access only the zeros and ones. It is in the form of binary information. The computer can be identified only in the form of binary information. What is meaning of binary information? Binary information means zeros and ones. The information transferred through the serial input that determines the types of shift. By using this serial input manner, we can transfer the data or content that can be from one register to another register. In shift micro operation, we have three types of shift micro operation. First one is logical shift, next circular shift and arithmetic shift. Logical shift, circular shift and arithmetic shift. Circular shift also known as a rotate shift. Okay, it is also called and it is also known as a rotate shift. Okay, first of all we have to see the logical shift. What is a logical shift? Logical shift is one type of shift micro operation. Okay, that transfer the information. Okay, transfer the 0 to the serial input manner. In all shift micro operation, the information is transferred from one register to another register. In logical shift and control shift or circular shift and arithmetic shift, the both operations are same, but different approaches are we have to perform in the shift operations. We have to transfer the data in serial input manner. Okay, we will adopt the symbol shift left on shift left right, logical shift left and logical shift right micro operation. In logical shift, we have to adopt the two types of the symbols, shift left and shift right. Already we know that shift right and shift left. SHL means shift left, SHR means shift right. These are the two operations that can be performed in the logical shifts. Okay. Okay, here is the example for the logical micro operation. First example of the shift micro operation. This is a logical shift micro operation. Here is the example. We have to take R1 is a SH1. R1 means R1 is a one register. Okay, SH1 means SHL means shift left. Shift left, both we have to take the same register, R1 and R1. Shift SHL means shift left. The data and content that is transferred to the R1. Shift the data to the R1 that is transferred to the R1 register. R1 is a register name. Here we take the example in both shift left and shift right. Okay, and R2. R2 has some content. The data that is transferred to transform shift right R1 to the R2. Okay, both the registers same. Okay, shift left we use the R1 register and shift right we use the R2 register. For example, we have to take the example as 1011. Okay, the data that is transferred from the shift R1 to R1. Okay, here in the example we have to see 1 equal to 1011. Okay, here we have to take 1011 means here we have to transfer the information. We have to transfer the information by using the shift left. During the shift left, the serial input manner, the information is transferred 0. In the right side, we have to place as 0. Here this is a 0. First of all, what is the information? 1011. Okay. Here this is the shift left operation. Here the rightmost bit we have to place it as 0. Okay. Already we have to see in the example also. Okay. This shift rightmost bit is, this is a leftmost bit, this is a rightmost bit. This is leftmost bit and this is a rightmost bit. In rightmost we have to place it at 0. Next, the input that is transferred to the left side, one position to the left side. Okay. Okay, here 1 is discarded. Okay, this is discarded. Here 1 is discarded. Okay. Here the leftmost bit of the shift left will be the discarded. Here one of the major disadvantages is this leftmost bit is discarded. There is no need to store the data. This is discarded means deleted from the bit. Okay, in shift right bit we have to take this example 1011. Okay, here this is a shift right bit. Then we have to place it, a left side is a 0. Okay, next the bit that is transferred towards the right shift with 1 position. 1 bit we have to transfer the information. Okay, here this 1 is discarded, remove from this bit. Okay, the major disadvantage of this logical shift micro operation is left significant bit and right significant bit will be the discarded. That why this is a major disadvantage in the logical shift micro operation. Okay, here we have to take only the 4-bit register. Okay, next we have to take 6-bit register, 8-bit register and 16-bit register. For example, we have to take the 4-bit or 6-bit register 0 0 1 1 0 1. This is the operation for shift left. Shift left means we have to place it as 0 for 2 bits. We have to take this example, we have to shift it to the 2 bits. 2 bits means here we have to take zeros in the left part. This is for shift left. Okay, then the information is transferred to the right. Okay, 1 0, this one is placed 1 bit that can be moved from right to left, one position that can be moved from right to left. Here the leftmost significant bit is discarded. In any 4 bits or 6 bits or 8 bit, leftmost significant bits are discarded. That's why this is a major disadvantages of the logical shift micro operation. Okay. Okay, we have 3 types of shift micro operation. One is a logical shift, already we discussed it. Second one is circular shift or rotate shift. Okay, in 2 micro operation that specify the one shift left of the content to the register R1 and 1 bit shift to right to the content of register R2. In logical shift micro operation, we have to perform the 1 bit right or 1 bit left. We have 2 types of transformations in logical shift micro operation, shift left and shift right. Okay, then we have to transfer the shift left has a 0 is a first position, the transfer 1 bit we have to move from the next position. In both cases, shift right and shift left. In register symbol must be same as both sides of the arrow. Okay, the bit transferred at the end through the serial input is assumed to be 0 due to the logical shift. In logical shift, we have to take place a 2-bit register transfer or 1-bit register transfer. We have to take 0 as the input. Okay, 0 as input. Next, second one is circular or rotate shift. We have to move to the next slide. Okay, circular shift is also known as a rotate shift. Circular, the bit of register around the 2 ends without loss of any information. In previous slide, in previous logical shift micro operation, what is the disadvantage? The disadvantage of logical shift micro operation is the final leftmost bit or rightmost bit will be the discarded, that is deleted. That is a major disadvantage in the logical shift. Okay, in this circular shift, there is no lossing of data. Okay, the calculation, the performance is going on from one register to another register. There is no need to loss of information and loss of transfer. This is accomplished by connecting the serial output of the shift register to the serial input. Whatever the content it may be, that is no loss of the transferring the data. In logical shift, there is a lossing of data. Okay, leftmost bit of shift right and shift left, the data that can be deleted. Okay, in circular or rotate shift, there is no need to loss of the data. Without losing the information, we have to transfer the information from one register to another register. Okay, in this circular shift, we use the 2 types, CIL and CIR. What is the CIL? CIL means shift circular left. CIR means circular right. For circular, shift left and right respectively. Okay, in logical shift we use SHR and SHL. Like that only in circular shift we have to use circular left and circular right. Circular left and circular right. The symbol notation for this shift micro operation is shown in the table. We want to see the next slide. Okay, this is a table for shift micro operation. We have 3 types of shift micro operation: logical shift micro operation, circular shift micro operation and arithmetic shift micro operation. In those we have to take one register. In all micro operation we have to take the R1 register. Okay, first of all, first one we have to see R1, the information that can be transferred to the SHRL to SHR left R to R1. Okay, R is a one register and R1 is a another register. Here we have to take the 2 registers, R and R1. Okay, R is a one type of register and R1 is a another type of the register. R1 that perform the SHL. Okay, shift left operation, shift right operation and shift left operation. Okay, next circular shift has 2 types, CIL and CIR. we have to take the two registers and R1. Circular shift left register and circular shift right register. And another arithmetic circuit we have to represent it as ASHL and ASHR. Okay, ASHL means arithmetic shift left, ASHR means arithmetic shift right. Here also we have to take the two registers. R is a one register and R1 is a one register. The data that is in the form of binary bits, zeros and ones. R is transfer the information performing. What is the operations performing? Shift L, shift R, CIL, CIR and ASHR1 L and ASHR R. These are the 6 operations that can be performed by using the shift micro operation. Okay, arithmetic shift left R and arithmetic shift right R. These are the 6 operations by using these 3 shift micro operations of the shift micro operations. Okay, shift left register and shift right register and circular shift left register and circular shift right register, arithmetic shift left and arithmetic shift right. Okay, next we want to move to next slide. Okay, an arithmetic shift is a last, third one is a shift micro operations. In third one is arithmetic shift. Arithmetic shift is a one of the micro operation. That is a last micro operation that shifts a signed binary number to left to right. Okay, an arithmetic shift left multiplies the signed bit number by 2. An arithmetic shift right divides the number by 2. In arithmetic shift has like logical shift and circular shift, we have to perform both operations, shift left and shift right. Okay, in arithmetic circular shift we have to discuss it one of the example, that is we have to take 1011. We have to take this example as a circular shift. In this we have to, what you say, logical shift has a one more disadvantages. What is that? The disadvantage is this last significant bit will be the discarded. In circular shift there is no discarding of the data. In circular shift there is no loss of the information. In that we have to, what is the calculation that can be performed by using the circular shift? In the leftmost bit we have to transfer the data to 1. In logical shift we have to place it as 0. In this we have to place it as 1. Why? Because we have to place it as 1. Here the leftmost bit is 1, that is transferred to here, and then 1 bit is moved to the 1 position. 0. Okay, there is no loss of information in the circular shift. Okay, in logical shift this final least significant bit will be the discarded. Okay, here we have to circular. Here what is a rotating and circular means we have to the transferring the leftmost significant bit to the right side. Okay, this is CINL. Okay, in CINR we have to take this example 1011. Okay, here also this rightmost bit will be transferred to the here. Whether it is a 0 or 1, that information is transferred to here. Okay, next we have to transfer the information one bit, move to the 1 position, 0 and 1. Here we have to transfer to the right to left. Here the information that in CNR, R means CNR means shift circular right. Okay, 1 bit position to the right. Here 1 bit position to the left. This is the final result of the circular right. Okay, there is no loss of information like the shift, logical shift. Okay, here there is no loss of information. To avoid the discarding, that's why we take it as a circular. We take the calculation on the circular shift micro operation. Okay, now we want to see the arithmetic shift micro operations. Okay, arithmetic shift is a major operation that shifts the binary number to left to right. An arithmetic shift left multiplies a signed binary number. In arithmetic shift we have the two representations, 0 and 1. Okay, 1 means a negative number. Already we discussed it in the last classes. 1 means negative number. 0 means positive number. 1 means negative number and 0 means positive number. Okay, an arithmetic shift right. Here also, like logical micro operations and circular micro operation, in arithmetic micro operations also two types. AS already in table we see. Okay, ASHR left, ASHR right. Okay, arithmetic shift must leave the sign bit unchanged because the sign of the number remains the same when it is multiplied or divided by 2. In this we have ASHL and ASHR. ASHL means arithmetic shift left and arithmetic shift right. We want to use the two operations. Okay, we want to move to the next slide. Okay, the leftmost bit is a, here in the arithmetic shift, the leftmost bit is a register holds the sign bits. For example, we have to take 0, 0, 1, 0. In decimal number, this is a 2. This is a representation of the whether it is the number is a positive or a negative. 0 means positive number, 1 means negative number. The leftmost bit is represented by in the register. What is the sign of that bit? 1 means a negative number and 0 means positive number. Here we have to take the example as a positive number and remain bit holds the number. Okay, the sign bit 0 for positive and 1 for negative, and what is the, there is, for the final result we give the positive number or a negative number. For positive number there is no need to change of the information or a data. For a negative number we have to make it as a 2's complement. For a positive number there is no need to changes or any changing the values. Okay, for a negative number we have to changing to the 2's complement. Okay, registers of n bit. Here in arithmetic shift micro operations has a arithmetic circuit has one small diagram for representing of the signed bit. This is a R0, this is one register, and R1, Rn minus 1, Rn plus 1. This is a signed bit, whether it is a positive number or negative number. Okay, n minus 1 and n minus 2. Okay, first we have to place it at one register R0 to Rn minus 2. This is a represent Rn minus 2 is represented as a signed bit. Okay, this is a arithmetic shift. In a register we have to take the n bits. N bits means unknown digit. Okay, bit Rn minus 1 is a leftmost bit, position holds the sign bit, and n minus 1 2 is a most significant bit. The number R0 is a least significant bit. This is a least significant bit. N minus 2 is a most significant bit that represented as a signed bit, whether the number is a positive number or a negative number. Okay, sometimes it is also a least significant bit. Okay, we have two types of register, ASHL and ASHR, means arithmetic shift left and arithmetic shift right. This is a n bit register, n bit representation of the register R0 to Rn minus 2. R0 means least significant bit and Rn minus 2 is a most significant bit. Most significant bit is also represented as whether the number is a negative number or a positive number. Okay, we want to move to the next slide. Okay, the arithmetic shift right leaves the signed bit unchanging the shift the number including the sign bit to the right side. Okay, here we take the example as a binary number is 0010. Okay, in arithmetic shift we also use the it is similar to the logical shift micro operations. In circular shift there is a difference between the logical shift and circular shift. In this arithmetic shift there is a similarity between the logical shift and arithmetic shift. Okay, here also the operation is the data ASHRL means arithmetic shift left. The data that is transferred to 0 to the rightmost bit, the bit that is changing to the 1 position. Here also information is losing. Okay, 1 bit is moved to the 1 positions. Okay, here the final most significant bit is represented whether it is a positive number or negative number. 0 means positive number, 1 means negative number. Okay, the arithmetic shift right leaves the sign that unchanged and shift number including the sign bit to the right side. Thus Rn-1 remains the same. Rn-2 receives the bit from Rn-1. Here we have to see the Rn-1 and Rn-2, the information that is received from both most significant bit. Okay, the bit is R0 is lost. Here also like logical shift, the arithmetic shift also the final bit is lost. Okay, if we have to take V0 is 0 and V1 is 1. V0 means 0 is no overflow. Here we have to take in arithmetic shift two type of overflow. V is equal to 0. The information is no overflow. Okay, V equal to 1. There is a overflow. Okay, in this we have to take the 2 is a decimal number. Here 0 0 means there is no overflow condition. No overflow condition. Here in the bit 1 1 or 0 0 there is no overflow condition. Whether it is changed to the 0 1 or 1 0, then it occurs, this statement is occurred to the overflow condition. Okay, we have to move to the next slide. Okay, in arithmetic shift left, insert 0 into the Rn-1 and shift all other bits to the left. Okay, here the overflow condition we have to see the Vs equal to Rn-1, that is the exclusive operation, or n-2. Whether the bit is transferred to the 0 0 means there is no overflow because the bits has same representation, same number 0 0 or 1 1, there is no change, or 1 0 or 0 1 there is a change in the and overflow condition will be occurred. An overflow flip-flop can be used to detect an arithmetic shift left overflow. Okay, Vs means the final information is stored in this Vs. Vs has Rn-1. In between Rn-1 and Rn-2 there is a exclusive operation. Okay, next class we discussed about the arithmetic micro operations of the hardware implementation of both three classes. Shift micro operation has three types. One is logical shift, circular shift and arithmetic shift. We have to discuss in next class in hardware implementation of shift micro operations. Okay, thank you.